How to fix WhatsApp location on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp location on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps. Here apps, and then click apps again and scroll down until you find scroll all the way down, and here we'll find it with W, and here we'll find WhatsApp. And now first thing, just click force stop here, and now click storage, and then click clear cache, and now go to permissions and scroll down. Here we'll find location, click on it and click allow, and that's it. And now just go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and see you in the next video.